What is going on, guys? Today we are going to make a rod and reel all out of wood. I went out and got a piece of hazel brush out of the woods. I use this as my rod, and I have a cedar slab here. I'm gonna make a reel out of this, and I'll probably need some other pieces of wood too, but this will be part of it. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is get this peeled so it can start drying. Okay, I got this all peeled now, so now I'm gonna go ahead and taper this out so it has more of a sensitive tip, so it's more like a rod. I'm gonna use a block plane for that. Start doing that. I got that about right. Now I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit. Now I'm gonna cut this down into a piece I need, and I will work that down with the lathe. This is my piece. So I'm just going to get this set up in the lathe and turn this down into a spool. Okay, that is going to be the basic shape of my spool part of the reel. So next I'm going to cut these ends off and clean this up a little bit. Okay, here's my rough spool. I just cut one of the ends off with a chop saw, and then I'm going to drill a hole, and I'll let it have the center. And then I'll put this back on the lathe and I'll be able to finish it up. Alright, now I will cut this off and put it back on the lathe. Okay, I got this spool finished. I just roughly sanded it and put a little beeswax on it. So now I'll probably drill a few holes. Then I also have to put a handle on. I was trying out the bend in my rod and I broke that, so I'm going to rework this and then I'm going to sand this down, and then the next step is to make a stem for the reel. And this is going to be my reel stem. Okay, and this is gonna be my reel stem. Now I'm just gonna sand this up, drill a hole, and then I should be able to mount my reel to it. Okay, so I got a bolt and a washer. I'm gonna put 2 more washers on. Put the spool on. And a nylon nut. And there it is. And I just gotta put a handle on this. And for the handle, I'll use a piece of this. And there's my handle. And next, I got some guides to put on the rod. I got some 5-minute epoxy. I am just epoxying these on just to hold them, and then I'm gonna wrap them in thread and epoxy them again. So I got 2 more to get on, so I'll get those done. I got the guides epoxied on there, so now I'm gonna wrap them up with thread and then put more epoxy on. This isn't the right way to attach guides to a rod, but for this instance. Okay, just got them all wrapped, all the guides wrapped. Now this is meant to be rustic. I would not do work like this if it was an actual rod I was building. But so now I'm going to put epoxy on them, and then that will be done. Okay, I got the epoxy on now. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then we will attach the reel. Now the epoxy is all dry. Pretty sloppy job, but it should hold the guides on. Now I'm gonna mount the reel to the rod. Just got done mounting the reel on the rod. Just put a little bit of tape on there. It's not going to come off. And this is it. Just got to get some line on this. And the next time you see this, I will be out on the lake trying it out. Still plenty of ice fishing left up here, so I will try it out.